Past continuous is the verb tense you use to say that something was happening in the past during something. Let's take a look at the examples. What were you doing at 10 o'clock last night? What you mean here is, imagine that this is the timeline and this is 10 o'clock. My question is, what were you doing that started before and continued after? So this is what I mean by doing at 10 o'clock. What were you doing at 10 o'clock last night? Now, if I mean at 10 o'clock